Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for home loans in Capitec Bank. First of all, open your browser. Once done, simply type in Capitec Home Loan or Apply Home Loan on Capitec Bank. Then you will see Online Home Loan Application. You will see a page like this once you tap onto that link. If you don't know how to, apply a loan, you can directly tap on how to apply, and you will see all these steps. Once you read all these, come back to the top and tap on Get a New Home Loan. Now here, tap on Apply Now to apply a new loan. It says New Home Loan Application. This will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. So first of all, they will ask you initial questions, personal questions, loan details, and the last step is Review and Submit. If you're ready, go ahead, tap on Start Application. Now, likewise, you're going to have to answer all these questions. So if you're applying with someone, select yes. If not, select no. And if you are or your co-applicant currently under debt, so you're going to have to answer all these questions and tap on continue. And once you do so, all you have to do is, submit the application and wait for their review. Thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.